Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you best CapCut alternatives in 2025. Looking for the best alternatives to CapCut in 2025? Whether you are a content creator, a social media enthusiast, or just someone who loves editing videos on the go, we have got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top video editing apps for Android and iOS that can replace CapCut and take your editing game to the next level. Stick around until the end to find out which app suits your best needs. Alternative number 1, VN Video Editor. First up, we have VN Video Editor. This app is a fantastic CapCut alternative, offering a clean interface, multi-layer editing, and powerful effects, all for free. You get precise timeline control, professional transitions, and even keyframe animation support, making it great for both beginners and experienced editors. Pros: free with no watermarks, easy to use interface, advanced keyframe animations. Cons: some advanced features require a premium upgrade. Alternative 2, InShot. Next, we have InShot, a popular choice for quick and stylish video edits. InShot provides tons of trendy filters, text effects, and even built-in tracks to make your videos pop. It's perfect for short-form content like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Pros: user-friendly interface, tons of trendy filters and effects, great for social media content. Cons: some features locked behind a paywall, no multi-layer editing. Alternative 3, KineMaster. If you are looking for a professional, great alternative, KineMaster is a powerhouse. It supports multiple video layers, advanced color grading, and even chroma key green screen effects. It is a great pick for serious content creators who want full control over their edits. Pros: multi-layer editing, chroma key green screen, advanced transitions and effects. Cons: watermark in the free version can be resource intensive on low-end devices. Alternative 4, Filmora Go. Another fantastic alternative is Filmora Go. This app brings professional features like speed control, reverse play, and animated text effects, all in an easy-to-use package. It's great for vloggers and creators who want high-quality edits without a steep learning curve. Pros: smooth and intuitive UI, high-quality export options, no watermark in free version. Cons: some effects require premium purchase. Alternative 5, Light Motion. If motion graphics and animation are your thing, Light Motion is a must-have. It offers advanced motion graphics, vector editing, and custom animations that most mobile editors do not provide. If you are creating intros, motion titles, or animated effects, this app is a game changer. Pros: professional motion graphic tools, custom animations and effects, high export quality. Cons: steep learning curve for beginners. Some premium effects require payment. Final recommendation. So which CapCut alternative is best for you? If you want a completely free and simple app, go with VN Vid Editor. If you are making social media content, InShot is your best bet. For professional editing, KineMaster is the way to go. Filmora Go is a great all-rounder, while Light Motion is unbeatable for motion graphics. What's your favorite video editing app? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.